Sit all the way back against the bench and please be sure to watch your children. Asante.
Bienvenidos a bordo del Walt Express. Para que tengan un viaje seguro, manténganse sentados, con las manos, brazos, pies y piernas de frente. Siéntense hasta atrás, pegados al respaldo de la barra. Y por favor, vigilen a los niños. Gracias.
Oh, that's so nice.
Welcome aboard the Wildlife Express with service to Rafiki's Planet Watch. Here, you'll discover a wide range of animal adventures, from the affection section, where you can get up close and personal with domesticated animals like goats, sheep, and more, to sneak peeks at animal care in action at our veterinary, nutrition, and science centers. Also, be sure to check out the animation experience at Conservation Station, where you can learn to draw your favorite Disney characters inspired by our animals from one of our animators. Of animals and animation reaches all the way back to Walt Disney himself and his long-standing passion for it. He believed it was important that we protect our wildlife and preserve our natural world. This sense of motivation shaped his legacy from animation to conservation to the very adventures we offer here at Disney's Animal Kingdom each and every day. Make our way to Rafiki's Planet Watch. Keep an eye out for some of the exciting wildlife we might encounter along the way and the highly trained specialists who care for them. From ostriches and rhinos to the mighty African elephant, the species we care for here at Disney's Animal Kingdom are some of the very same animals that inspired animated classics like The Lion King, The Jungle Book, and Andy was the first animated feature to bring live animals into the studio. In the 1940s, Walt Disney and his animators modeled characters from the film after the movements and natural behaviors of their real-life counterparts. Even with the latest advances in animation, this tradition continues today as animators travel throughout the world to observe animals in their own surroundings. And that includes here at Disney's Animal Kingdom.
Now approaching Conservation Station at Rafiki's Planet Watch. For the safety and the safety of those around you, please sit all the way back against the bench and avoid leaning out toward the railing. Remain seated until the train comes to a complete stop, and be sure to watch your children as you exit. Go well and explore.
This will be the one and only stop for the train. Petting zoo, environmental display, animation experience. This will be your stop and destination. Now when you're done with your time of discovery, simply return back to this station. Train will then bring you back to Africa. Once again, one and only stop. If you want to see animals or do the animation experience, this is where you must exit the train to do so at. Now when you're done with your time of discovery, simply return back to this station and the train will then bring you back to Africa.